Newly appointed police chief has been on the job about a month now. He's taking over a department that's low on officers, the number of homicides at the highest rate ever, and soaring traffic and pedestrian fatalities. News 4 Tucson's Lupita Murillo went on a ride along with TPD's new chief, Chad Kazmar, where he shared his thoughts on several issues. Lupita.
I can tell you that Chief Kazmar says he's focusing on 3 P's, people, prevention, and they're going to be proactive.
As the chief of police, I have an opportunity to influence crime in a positive way, influence folks to have civil dialogue.
Chad Kazmar has only been the chief for a month, and from the beginning, he hit the ground running, meeting with command staff, and also will be meeting with community members.
I need to have perspective of what community wants and what the staff needs are, what the vision of the mayor and council and the city manager are, and my job is to connect all these different stakeholder groups to provide the best outcomes.
2021 is going down on the TPD books as one of the deadliest on record, 93 homicides and 88 traffic-related deaths.
We're never going to get ahead of the game if we feel like we're victims to crime, or we're victims to attrition, or we're victims to any of the environmental factors that we face in this community. We're going to get somewhere by not blaming each other, but actually collaborating.
Overdose deaths, another issue plaguing this community.
If you are dealing drugs in this community, we are going to do everything in our power to work with the community to identify you as quickly as possible and to hold you accountable.
Issues with the homeless, or as he calls them, unsheltered. The city is working on a program called Housing First.
We're also going to help you connect up with community-led wraparound services, because there's a lot of complexities of why somebody might be unsheltered.
Chief Kazmar says the community also needs to step in and do their part.
Really work hard with us in maybe a different way than we historically have, in a way than we have been working together to try to have different outcomes.
Chief Kazmar also talked about a program that he's working with Mayor Regina Romero on. It's called Safety, Health, and Wellness. He says this will also help relieve some of the community's concerns. Reporting live from TPD headquarters, Lupita Murillo, News 4 Tucson.